Hello, it's September 5th evening. It's your afternoon over there in the Midwest. But we have just been to an evening youth service here in Aalborg, Denmark. And I would like to introduce you to some friends of mine that I just met here that are going to do a guest video blog. I have no idea what they're going to do. It's going to be very exciting. So I'd like to introduce you to Cecilia and Sarah.
Hiya. Yep. So today we're going to sing a song. Yep. For you guys.
A song that you wrote?
Yep. All by yourselves. It's a medley. Yeah, it's a Danish medley.
Okay. I think this is going to actually sweep the United States.
It's going to
so like wild.
Yeah. So
all right.
West. So first we'll take it in Danish and then we'll translate it for you guys.
Okay. It might only have a minute, so I can. If I go stop, it's because I have to push record again. I'll let you know. All right, go ahead.
Yep. Jeg har fødselsdag, og det har han jo, og det er i dag. Vi hejser flag, Dannebrog, de mod tag din overfald. Vuggedi, over kattekilling, nej hvor er den sød. Den har fine hvide putter og en pels og blød. Den kan sige ja, du kan sige nej, men når vi danser ved jeg, at jeg elsker dig og mig. Smil fra dine øjne og din mund, dig og mig. Der er kun os, det er bare os to. Hvad med os to? Os to mennesker på en strand. For at skinne på andre, for alle på jorden har brug for dens lysebrænde. Og lad min dør stå på klem, indtil du har set, hvad du ville. Indtil du er hos mig igen, og igen og igen, og mig, der er mig. Du er min kærlighed, kan det lide, hvad du vil, oh, wow. So, now we're going to translate it for all you wonderful viewers. Has birthday and he has it and it's today. Oh, has birthday and has he today. We're raising flag, Dannebrog, row your boat, take over Kate the killing night. Oh, how is it sweet, it has sweet, nice toes, and a fur so soft. It can say yes, it can say no, but when we're dancing, I know that I love you and your mouth, you and me. There is just us, it's just us two. What about us two? Us two, you and me. Us two people on a beach. Do. Two hearts in a beat. Sun is way to shine on others. Cause needs its light keep burning, and let my door stand on claim until you have seen what you wanted, until you are with me again and again and again and